Okay, we continue to video 3. So we continue at room data. Room number 1, meeting room. You already put the system zone, length, width, and height. And then you can ask for check error. The software will check error for you. If you don't want it, you just press no lah, select no. Okay, so for first one is roof type. So for roof type, you only insert here if the let's say your building now, office now is single story. That's why the roof type you need to select lah. So if let's say I give you a double story for double story, okay. But so for only room at appear exist at the first level, only you can input the roof. So the basement is cannot lah. So ground floor. Ground floor you no need to insert the roof type. Okay, let's say the roof type. Okay, your roof type is you already select is before this from the master data. Okay, so just press it here, number 1. Okay, so length and width, this one basically same from this length. So 18 and 8. So you need to input here 18 and 8. Actually the area of the size of the room lah. So 18 times 18 times 8. Okay. So this one area is just ignore it. So for wall type. So basically there are 6 area here. You can put all your wall type. So your only the wall exposed to the outdoor, you can input it here. Okay, let's say for meeting room here, room number 1. So only 2 wall facing outdoor. Okay, this one. Okay, your orientation here is okay. Upper is north. So this one is north. This one is south, west, and east. So wall facing outside only at north and west only. So just ignore about the south and east. So the wall, okay, I repeat, the wall type here, you need to input all the wall that only facing outside. Okay, first one is north. Okay, wall type is number 1, wall type. So there only one wall, only one type of wall. And then the height of the wall is 8 feet. And then the length, what is the length here? So this one is 18. So 18 length. So direction is north. And then we do it for west. Here, wall number 1 also. Height is 8. So length is 8. This one is 8 feet. Okay, this one is 18 feet. Okay, the direction of the wall facing outside is west. So one mistake to select this direction, the whole report is mistake actually. So you need to be careful. So north and west, okay, settle. And then the glass type, any glass attached to this wall. So is it any glass attached to this wall? North. Okay, there's one glass here. And then there's any glass attached at the west side? West. Okay, there only one glass also. So glass type, glass only one type of glass. That's why it's only one data here. So press 1. Okay, and then continue. What is the length of your glass? Here, it's stated here actually. Okay, glass, 5 feet times 5 feet. Alright. Okay, so 5 times 5. 5 with 5. Okay. Reference, this one is reference. So reference, the glass 5 times 5 is at north. Okay. So make sure it's correct. So 1 is represent 1 here, which is north. And then occurrence, this occurrence is what? Okay, occurrence is what? Quantity. Quantity of the glass attached on wall at north direction. So it's only one. So let's say I have put 2. Okay, let's say you have 2 glass here. You need to input here, occurrence is 2. Okay. Okay, occurrence is the quantity of the glass attached at wall number 1. Number 1 is north. Okay, let's say second one is west. So there's one glass attached at west. So one the same size also. So you need to be careful. Let's say basically for lab test, I already give the different dimension of the glass. So you need to be careful here. So 5 times 5, reference is wall number 2, west. Okay, and then occurrence, the quantity is also 1. Okay, settle. So 1, 1. So settle for roof, wall and glass type. Okay, for lighting here, this one, this value is already default to general project data. Okay, this one, okay, let's say room number 1, how many people in your meeting room? Okay, number of people you need to insert here. So how many people? Okay, this one room number, there's no meeting room here with occupied with the staff. So just ignore it 0. So when you do room number 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 10, you need to input the number of staff lah based on this parameter, this spec. So let's say you do it room number 4, just press it name room 4. So the people here will come 15. So you need to put 15 here. So the 15 number of staff will multiply to the sensible and also latent heat. Okay. So profile, this one is default to 1 lah. Okay, people 1. So 1 basically, if before this I mentioned with 1 is 30%, 70% of the staff go to lunch and 50% remaining on the office. Okay, settle for room number 1, meeting room. Okay, and then you need to next room. Next room we will do sorry. So next room, let's say next room is discussion room. Okay, so discussion room. So add room. So to this discussion room. Okay, also system is 1, so number hash is 1. Zone you need compulsory to set 1, and the length of your discussion room is okay, let's say 7 times 8. Okay, 7 times 8, and then the height of the ceiling height is 8, and type 1 is check error is yes. Okay, so roof, so 1. So the length of the width is follow this lah. So 7 times 8. Basically the area of the room. 7 times 8. So wall type is only wall type A. The height of wall is 8, and the length of the wall type wall. Okay. So there's only wall. Only one orientation of the wall facing outside. So this one is north. So north, the length of the north side is 7. Okay. 7, and the direction is north. So only one wall facing outside, and there is no glass attached here. So you just ignore it about this part lah. Okay, lighting, okay, ignore it. So there's, is it any staff at discussion room? I think no. No staff. Okay, yes, no staff. And then this one, you just ignore it. Okay, and then next, add new room. Okay, so then continue to next, add room. So number 3 is, okay, let's say, and then continue to documentation area. Okay, so basically I have teach you how you need to input the wall characteristic, glass, or also roof. So I already teach you about how to input the room data R, which is the final, the last one. Plenum is just ignore lah. So last one is room data. So just insert room data 1, 2, 3 until 10, and then you continue to corridor 1, corridor 2, and corridor 3. Okay. Okay, that's all for this one. So how to generate the report? So for the result, you are required to determine the cooling load for every single of room. So for question A, you need to do a table, 13 table actually, room number 1 until 10 plus corridor 1 to 3, and how much the cooling load for the each of the room. And then B, question B is determine the material and U factor for roof, wall and glass, already shown to you at the master data. Okay, so master data for roof, determine the material. Okay, so what is material of the roof? This one. So basically you can find it in the lab sheet lah. So the next U factor. So U factor, you just put it here. Just make it a simple table lah for parameter of roof, wall and glass. So for question C, you need to fill up below data. Your answer shall get from the CHV report generated. So that report generated I will provide to you. And then all the 10 items here you can find it from the report. Okay, that's all. And then do some discussion and also conclusion. All right. Okay, this one, what is the function about this? Okay, let's say, check error, yes. So, due to you put it yes, you can check your error here, no error so far. Basically, your data put is not actually correct. Correct means, correct here means there is compulsory data you need to insert, you have inserted. Okay, not the error. Error is means that one lah. Okay, and then no error, and then you need to press select report here, and then press reports here, and then you press preview. Okay, this one that office building hatchback load assist for Putra Consultant. This one is the ni lah. This one that you setting Putra Consultant. Prepared by Terus Maju Corporation, the name of the company, Thursday 7 January 2020. So next here, okay, this one all the report. So building summary load of building peaks in January, because you select January. This one is all is at 4 p.m. You can't select at others than this time lah. Okay, so you can refer this. Cooling capacity for area. This report I will provide to you. Okay, this one is air handling unit number 1, summary load. Okay, how much area, heating, sensible, latent heat, and so on lah. Okay, issue number 1. Okay, this one is a total air handling supply 349 CFM. This one total building supply air. Okay, this one. Your answer is here lah. Number 2 is here. But not is 341 because this one I already just do it for 2 room only. Okay. So all your data here 1 to 10 you need to find out in the hatchback report generated. Okay, that's all from me for lab number 4. So basically for lab number 5 also you can do the same exercise lah. But for basically I think I will give you the 2 story of the building. Okay. So that you know the basement or level 1 is not setting of parameter of the roof, because roof setting only at the first floor lah, the upper floor. Okay, that's all for room number 4. Cooling load calculation using CLTD method. For commercial building is office building. Okay, that's all. Alright, thank you.